You guys, I feel so fancy sitting in this director's chair. I've actually never been like sat in it before. I bought it, but never actually sit in it to just like fill it out, but I like it. Because this is what I have my clients sit in when I do their makeup. Yeah, guess what we got today? We have Boxycharm Luxe, which is massive. I wish I had the smaller box to compare how big this is. Like, look at that. I'm sorry if my camera is like lopsided. My freaking little tripod broke, so I'm having to like improvise, so excuse me. But yeah, so let's jump right into this. I just got off of work and I'm super tired. Let's see what we have. Dun, 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 dun. I didn't even sneak peek. I didn't even like look at what anybody else had because I really want to be surprised. My friend, she messaged me, she goes, yo, you got your Boxycharm? I'm like, don't tell me. I don't want to know. So let's hop right into it. If you guys don't know, the Boxycharm is what is it? It is $25 a month. Where I live is $27 with taxes, and then I paid an extra $28.99 for this particular big box. So let's see what this. Okay, this is cosmetics. I've actually received something from this line before, not from Boxycharm, but through a PR. Clean, clinical, luxurious. So let's see what this is. Okay, I've actually always wanted this. It is a little like, what is this? You do this and it circulates your blood, and it's supposed to reproduce collagen, I believe, and just kind of, I don't know, just make your skin plush. Tati, she swears by this. So I'm gonna have to try that. I got makeup all over it now, but that's what this looks like. I mean, if you ask me, it looks like something else, but so yeah, that's really cool. It's metal, it's really heavy, it has little ridges here. But yeah, it's from Cosmetics in this little fancy. What is next? Your hair wrapped. Okay, but this is nice. You know, some of the stuff is like things that you would never buy for yourself until you get it in this really awesome box. But what is that? Oh, okay. I don't even. Whoa. It has a little button, so when you bring it over this thing, twist your hair in it. Oh my god. Okay. That's really cool. I'm gonna have to test it out and let you guys know it works because my hair is down on my butt, so it's pretty wet all the time and it's long, so I'm gonna have to check that out and put that to the test because I don't want my hair soaking in this, you know what I mean? Like, don't have the towel dry my hair first and then wrap this in it, you know? Oh shoot, can't be doing that. Can't be shaking my mirror. Alright, what is this? Fresh soy face cleanser. You guys, I was at work today and I was gonna go and buy a facial cleanser because I didn't have like a mild facial cleanser that isn't exfoliant. Thank goodness I didn't. Come through. Fresh is a Sephora, like it's a good brand known at Sephora. Really good skincare stuff. Oh, safety seal. I dig. Oh my god. Something about cucumber melon. I'm really glad I didn't go buy a face cleanser because, you know, I mean, my face cleanser would have been like Clean and Clear and it would have only been like $6, but still, $6 your girl could have saved. What is this? Ciate Confetti Highlighter. I'm happy. What? I already have highlighter on, but you know, I've been at it all day, so. Oh, that's pretty. Sorry, my big ass ears. I mean, it's cool. It's not blingy. It's not anything crazy. It's not as pigmented either. I kind of really have to go. The powder's kind of hard, actually. I'm really used to like my Ofra and my Becca. Okay, what else is in here? Too Faced Rich Dazzling High Shine Sparkling Gloss. I'm a freelance makeup artist, so it's just nice to have these kind of stuff, especially glosses. I myself don't wear glosses, so I benefit from this because I can have it in my kit. Oh, man, that smells good. So let's do swatchy. What does that look like? Man, that smells delicious. Ooh, okay, what is this? Elms Pro Collagen Rose Facial Oil. Y'all, I love oils. I do. I don't know. That's super fragrant though. But hey, I'm about to take off my makeup with the cleanser, with this, so I'll let you know how it is. This... Yo, I was about to go buy me some dry shampoo, and that was gonna be like 10 bucks, but I don't have to buy it anymore. It is a deep cleansing dry shampoo charcoal detox. This thing has 6.3 fluid ounces and it's nice and heavy. It's from IGK. We've received stuff from IGK before in Boxycharm. Alright, what else is in here? What is this? Is this a setting spray? Beach. Oh wait, it's a fragrant? What is this? This fast absorbing dry oil spray is formulated with a blend of high quality oils that penetrate delivering superior moist soft skin without feeling greasy. Spray and massage the oil directly onto your skin. For hair, spray the oil onto your palm and then run it through your fingertips. For face, spray the oil onto your hand and face when needed. So this is just a dry oil spray. Oh god. Okay. Man, that is super fragrant though. I don't know if I want to put that on my face. Oh no, it smells like perfume. Legit perfume. Now that I'm getting older, I'm more cautious of all the stuff that I put on my face. Before, I'm just like, put it on, give it to me. But now I'm like, no, because I'm breaking out. Age is catching up with me, man. This is a really big bottle. I don't know if I like it. Okay. Yeah. Last but not least, Fairy Tale Storybook Cosmetics. This is super cute and super unnecessary. So the storybook. These are okay. I mean, that blue looks pretty. Let's swatch this blue. Oh, it's nice and soft. Okay. Let's do it right here. It's okay. Let's do this matte purple. It's a little dry. It's okay. Ooh, the silver. Oh, the silver feels a little more wet. It's prettier. Ooh, man, this gold is nice. The way it picked up, that's pretty. Alright, down here. Ooh. Okay, I like that gold. So overall, it's okay. You guys can kind of tell that I'm probably a little disappointed. Ooh, the colors though, they're on there. So out of everything, I think, I don't know, I'm almost liking my regular Boxycharm better. I might unsubscribe for this BoxyLuxe because that extra $28 is a lot of money. So overall, like, am I happy with it? I guess. No, actually. I'm glad that I got the face cleanser and the dry shampoo. This hair wrap. I'm a little disappointed. I like my regular Boxycharm better, so I don't know. I might stay one more month and hopefully the other one are better, but this month just didn't really do it for me. But that is it, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed my video. I know it's been a long time since we talked, and you know what, I'll do another update for another video because it's way too long already. I'm speaking quietly because now that my baby is around and he's asleep, it's like naturally for me to speak quiet, but he can't even hear me, so I love you guys. Make sure you comment, rate, and subscribe. Who rates anymore? Girl, that's like old as shit. Make sure you comment, thumbs up, and subscribe.